You want to protect your car, truck, or SUV with a custom fit cover from Coverking, but which cover should you choose? This video will help you select the perfect cover for your situation. Coverking's Cover Bond 4 cover boasts 4 thick layers for some protection against nicks and dings while protecting a vehicle in storage. More water resistant than Tri-Guard, Cover Bond 4 also protects against UV rays and moderate weather conditions including light hail. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Coverking's Mossum Plus cover affords all the benefits of Cover Bond 4, but also includes a polypropylene layer for improved water resistance and a soft fleece inner liner to pamper your vehicle's finish. For comprehensive all-weather protection and padding from dings, choose Mossum Plus. Comes with a 3-year warranty. Choose Coverking's Silver Guard cover for maximum protection from the sun's damaging UV rays, while also protecting from the other elements. The dense silver-coated polyester fabric reflects sunlight before it can damage your vehicle. Comes with a 3-year warranty. Coverking's legendary Stormproof cover is a unique, industry-leading multi-purpose cover that is both lightweight and extremely durable. Perfect for those living in the Northwest region. This car cover also provides substantial protection against UV rays, snow, rain, and other pollutants. On top of that, this fabric requires no coatings that wear off. Its characteristics are built in. Stormproof is also available in many colors, 2-tone configurations, and stripes. Comes with a 4-year warranty. Combine the sleek fit of satin stretch with the robust protection of Silver Guard and you get Coverking's Auto Body Armor cover. This cover boasts the highest water resistance and breathability, along with maximum UV ray protection and a soft fleece inner liner. Comes with a 5-year warranty. For indoor display, Coverking's Satin Stretch can't be beat. A museum-quality second skin engineered to enhance the joy of ownership. It flexes for an unmatched fit while protecting your vehicle's delicate finish with a soft fleece lining. Many color options, 2 tones, and stripes available. Comes with a 4-year warranty. Choose Coverking's Indoor Moving Blanket cover for long periods of storage of your pride and joy. The thick quilted blanket boasts extra padding to keep your car safe from kids, tools, bikes, and other hazards lurking in your garage. Indoor use only. Comes with a 3-year warranty. All Coverking custom car covers are manufactured to the exact specifications of your vehicle to fit like a glove, with mirror and antenna pockets included. Our patterns are designed to have diffused seams. Though this uses more fabric, it looks much better and reduces wear and leak points for better performance and longer service life. Coverking manufactures covers for all budgets and levels of protection. Order your Coverking custom car cover today to perfectly protect your car, truck, or SUV. For more products, check out our catalog or visit coverking.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.